Hey, I'm Cesar from Chatwith. Today we want to share with you how you can create a WhatsApp widget with a bot using AI to manage replies, questions, support, those type of, engagement with customers in the widget using AI. So we have done a widget that, enables that type of communication. I have done a simple test with Tarot, Tarot consultations. So here we have the widget using AI. There is a there are content for the bot to train. The bot use that content, to learn and to understand, the topics. We only will use the content you provide. The bot will not reply outside that content. So in this case, we can say what is tarot, and the bot is going to reply to the user, from the content it's being provided. So we can say, can you tell me the cards for Gemini? Let's say, I'm a Gemini and I want to know the cards that are, related to me, and what you can tell me about the Lover's card. So, the bot is going to, use the content and is going to be, answering questions to the user, automated using the widget. If the user wants to jump to WhatsApp, we click WhatsApp, we fill up the form, and we continue on WhatsApp, and you receive a lead. So the widget is, as usual, geolocation, custom design, bookings, all that. Now you can add, let's say, a layer of AI support on top of that to help your customers, in an, automated, way. How you set up this? Let's go to agents. This belongs to agents. Let's go to FAQs. And in FAQs, you have AI FAQs. Let's say this is a bot to reply users, about, common questions. The content, you need to put here the content you want to feed. Should be an HTML. We scan, all the content goes here, can be as long as you need, no restrictions, okay? This is very simple. If you change the content, if you want to, add another page, you just put it here, scan, we reload, and we will train the bot with the new content. The moment it's done, it's ready to go. There is nothing else to do. There is no extra configuration, no extra nothing. So, hello, how can I help you? Hey, I'm Cesar. I want to know more about Tarot. Everything is pure AI. I mean, there is nothing, as you can see, the engagement with the customer is really cool. Like, hey, Cesar, this type of things, you don't need to do it. You don't need to set up, how the bot behaves. The bot is going to behave like this, like in a friendly, common manner. If you ask something outside the scope, like what is the price of a burger in Michigan, the bot is going to give you a non-reply. We, limit the scope 100% to the content you provide. If it's not in your content, there is no replies. The bot is not going to try to figure out, something else. So I think this prevents the bot, answering things that are not related to your business. Okay, so that's the idea. The WhatsApp button is always here, so the user can jump to WhatsApp anytime. I mean, we think it's good for you and your business to make, to provide support with AI. But, if the user is not happy, if the user prefers to go to WhatsApp, it's here. They go to WhatsApp, fill up the form, straight to WhatsApp. Okay, that's the idea. So this is the bot, this is the questions, and we need to change the design of this part because obviously it's not well done. Down here, you will have the log. You will have all the questions with the answers the bot is providing. So you can review, what's going on, how the bot is, answering, what are the most common questions, what topics are more relevant for your users, and, so on. I think this is very important for you to understand, what's happening. How you should use it, how you should, use the AI bot. I think what makes sense is, let's say you work in Florida, you work in Chicago, you work in the States, you work in Germany. Outside your country, you can make a widget with AI to capture, let's say outside clients, outside customers, and, give them support in their language, in their, more or less in a friendly way. So let's say you are in Germany, you want to provide support for Spanish-speaking customers using the bot. Fantastic. You can geolocate the widget. You can put the widget in Spain. You can put the widget in Spanish, with content in Spanish, and you can see what's working, what is not working, what questions customers are asking. To geolocate your widget, you go to widget, you go to advanced features, and down here you have geolocation. The geolocation helps you put the widget in a specific country. Or let's say you want to make a widget in Spanish for Colombian customers because you don't serve them. You can do it. Or you have customers from Russia and you want to have a widget in Russian. So this is, I think AI is going to really, help small companies provide amazing support for customers they don't serve normally or they don't serve in a regular basis. So the widget with AI, I think, is a fantastic, tool for you to reach, new customers, new countries, new markets, with a tool that is not going to cost you. The bot is going to work, 100% on your behalf, and is going to serve the customers in their language with good content, with good replies, with everything, I think, in a very good, with good quality of service. So as you know, widgets, agents, we go to FAQs, AI FAQs, we put the content, you can feed as much as you want, and that's it. The widget is going to work. You can geolocate, you can make a support agent in your widget. You can have an agent for sales, another agent for support. This is up to you. If you have questions, send us a message. We are here to help you. And the moment is ready. This is the content we are going to use. This is the log of questions, so you can check what is working, what is not working. And that's it, ready to go. It's going to work everywhere, desktop, mobile. You can make a landing page with the widget. You can test, this in campaigns. You can see what's happening, what is not happening. As you can see, we have improved the design, the look and feel, everything. So, we are trying to make it, as easy as possible. We want to make the best experience for you, for your customers, to give them, a really cool tool for them, to engage with you, engage with your business, and, get more clients and make your business better. Okay? Thank you. Bye-bye.